It's the design team that separates Legacy Appliances from all the rest. Trained experts who will help you design the kitchen of your dreams from start to finish. With 3 complete showrooms, you're sure to find the right kitchen package or appliance. Purchase an eligible Wolf, Sub-Zero, or Cove appliance package between now and December 31st and receive a $2,500 rebate or a 3-year extended warranty direct from Wolf, Sub-Zero, or Cove on 84 just off 580 in Livermore or online at legacyappliances.com. Legacy Appliances in Livermore.